In this video from Casio Help, we're going to demonstrate how you can reset a faulty cash button on the TE2400 register. So on this machine I've got here, when I process a sales transaction, subtotal, try and cash it off with the cash button, it doesn't work. It basically seems to be taking a penny off at a time, or if I try and ring £10 for it, I'll just get a beeping error message sound. I'm not getting a particular error message coming up, but what you might on yours get an error message E035 or E037. What's basically going on is that the cash button's not working. You can prove this by tendering the transaction using one of the different tender buttons. So there, the check button works fine, so we know there's a problem with the cash button, so we can reset it. To reset the cash button, it's key round to PGM, then free subtotal, 0 cash subtotal. That resets the settings for the button back to the factory default. What you can also do is make sure that there was no price attached to the cash button, because what appeared to be happening with mine, it was almost pre-programmed to 1p, so it's taking a penny off every time I hit the button. To do that, 1 subtotal, 0 cash subtotal. Again, you should get loads of zeros appearing. In fact, it's come up and it's saying that the cache is now pre-programmed to 0.00. My settings are all at 0 above here. If I turn the key round to the reg position, what I'm expecting to happen is I can cash a sale off automatically for £1, but also I should be able to tender a high amount and get some change, so £5 into my cash button. Okay, so everything appears to be working again. So that's a fix for the cash button if you're getting a similar problem to what I was getting. So I hope that video has been helpful. We've got plenty more videos showing you how to get the best out of the TE2400 and other Casio cash registers, so you're welcome to check those out. You can also subscribe to this YouTube channel or visit casiohelp.co.uk for more. Thanks for watching.